For growth and decay, I did the country of Taiwan. Taiwan was established the 1st of January 1912. Taiwan's estimated population is 23.69 million people. Main sources of income for Taiwan's economy are computer parts, tires, and fruits. From this Desmos graph, we can tell that the population of Taiwan is growing because of the line of best fit. Taiwan's population from the graph above, we can tell is increasing by 23.06% every year. You can find this by using the formula y equals a, parentheses 1 plus b, parentheses, and then x to the x power. Y is the total amount of years, x is years, a is the starting population, b is the yearly growth rate. If this trend continues, we can still use the formula y equals 23 million, parentheses 1, plus 0.00301 to the x power. In 10 years, it will be 23.70 million people. In 20 years, it will be 24.42 million people. In 30 years, it will be 25.17 million people. Issues that may occur are because Taiwan is such a small country, the population may make it too crowded. And reasons for this population growth may be because people from the mainland of China are moving to Taiwan, or people are giving birth to more children at a fast rate. In conclusion, I learned that Taiwan, despite being a small island, is slowly but steadily increasing in population. I learned that many computer parts are produced in Taiwan. I also learned the formula for growth and decay.